my channel, first we go to this T-code SQ03 and then we change the query area to standard area. If you use the global area, you need a transport request to capture the change. And in this example, I just use a random name for my user group. You can name it whatever you like. Once that is created, you can assign to a particular user that can access the query report you are going to create. The second step is to go to SQ02 to define the source table for your query report. And again, you need to ensure you're using the standard query area. And you can see there are multiple options to be chosen as your data source. First, you can have table joining each other, you can have single table direct reading, or you can use a logical standard database available. And in this example, we are joining AC Docker with BKPF, and you press the button to insert the table BKPF. Once you press OK, you will see the linkage between two tables generated automatically. And before you move on to the next step, you should validate whether this linkage is correctly generated or not. In this example, we don't need the ledger group between two tables, so we delete the link. Once everything is okay, you press the back button to go back to the previous screen, and you select include all table fields as your field group. And now you can see all the fields are available for your query report to use. And then you press the generate button to finish the creation of the info sets. And then you go back to the landing page and go to the row assignment to assign the user group to this info set. It's like building up the linkage. So the last step is to create the query report itself. And we go to SQ01. And the first step, again, you need to ensure you are using the standard query area. And also you need to select your query group. And then you create your query. Select the info set we have just created. And then you input the title for it. And in this example, we just put AC Docker and BKPF report. And then you press the basic list button. And in this screen, you can define what field you are going to show in the report and also the fields in selection screen. And in this example, we just randomly select 3 fields to show you. Like we choose company code, fiscal year, and the document number. And then for BKPF, we select another 3 fields: document type, document date, and posting dates. And as you can see, you can also select other text fields available from the standard tables. And once you're finished, you can press the save button and you can use the test button to see what does it look like. And here you can see all the 6 fields are showing in the selection screen that you have selected. And you execute it, you will see 6 columns showing as the report results. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. Now we are bringing you the bonus trick. So you go back to your query report, you go to the edit mode, you press the next button 3 times, and now you will be in the detail setting of selection screen. And here you can define the sequence of each selection criteria, and you can also modify text showing on the selection screen. For example, for the document number, we change it to document hash, and for the posting date and document date, we minimize the description. And now we go to the test mode to see what it looks like. And now you see what you have defined it is showing in the screen.